Brooke, and this is the Women's Basecamp Trifecta. It's from The North Face. These sandals are a lot of fun. They feature a polyurethane coated synthetic strap system with a jersey lining that is very soft to the touch. It has a 3-strap design that provides a unique and comfortable fit. The toe loop also helps to provide a secure fit, and they have a comfortable egg crate style EVA footbed. Check that out. There's even a ton of added arch support for added comfort. It all rests on top of a durable rubber outsole with lots of tread force stability. They're lightweight at 5 ounces and very flexible. You cannot believe how unbelievably comfortable these sandals are. It's the Women's Basecamp Trifecta from The North Face.